Question 6, each digit of a telephone number. So you have a string of numbers here. It's written on a card. These 12 numbers are then shuffled and placed down on a table. So Yanni proceeds to turn over a card. Find the probability that the card shows an even number. Okay, so what are the possible outcomes for even number? So you have 8, 0, 0, 8. So even if it appears 2 times, you have to count it twice, okay? Because you have 2 cards, right? So the probability is separate for picking each of these 8. So you have to put them as separate numbers. 8, 0, 0, 8, 6, 4, and 2. Okay, and out of this string of numbers, there are how many cards? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 cards here, 13 numbers on 13 cards. So the probability of getting an even number will be 7 out of 13. Is it 12 or 13? 4. Oh, okay, sorry, 12 numbers here. Okay, then a natural number. What's a natural number? Natural number starts from 1. You don't include 0. 0 is not a natural number. It's a whole number starting from 1. So there are 12 numbers, right? So basically all the numbers except 0. So there are 10 numbers here. Then the probability of getting a natural number is 10 out of 12. And you simplify, this is 5 out of 6. Next, multiple of 2 and 3. Multiple of 2 and 3 will only be 6. Okay, so multiple of 2 and 3 will only be 6. There's only 1 6 in this string of numbers, so it's 1 out of 12. Then D, a factor of 15. So factors of 15 can be 1, 15, 3, 5. Since these are all single digits, so 1, 3, and 5. There's 1 of 1, 1 of 3, 1 of 5. So 3 possible outcomes out of 12, which is 1/4.